riding this power, with 1.8 liters of power. Actually, this past 2 days, some bosses have been asking me if I have the documents. Then how should I proceed? What should I do without the documents? First, I want to explain to everyone how big the difference is between having the documents and not having them. This is a 2020 𝕞𝕚𝕒, and I featured it in an earlier video. This is still a standard model. How much could the 2020 model sell for? Just over 200,000. A little over 200,000. What does that mean? You can already buy a BBA now. You can buy a BBA card. So, but many guys are like, wow, why buy this thing for over 200,000? It's possible he doesn't travel far, doesn't take long trips or ride much, just wants to display it and play occasionally. So, he has the means with these 20,000, but may not be willing to spend that money on a big toy that might not even be used much in a year. So, at this point, this thing comes into play.
Ah, without papers.
Besides, yes, man.
Here, how much is this one without paperwork? 26,500.
But bro, how do I play without documents? It's back again. You're not willing to spend a high price, yet you still want it on the road. How is that possible? The purchase tax for a brand new one is below 26,000. The engine won't wear out in a lifetime.
You can't have both the fish and the bear's paw. This is vividly reflected in this circle.
You can't get it with paperwork for just over 20,000 yuan. How much does even a domestic model cost? Therefore, there's no way around it.
You want to buy a better one, okay? Like this kind.
A 𝕞𝕚𝕒 tricycle.
The domestic inventory of this is extremely low. Whether it's modified domestically or from the original factory. You basically won't find it. It's very raw. Let me show you how big it is. This is it. You might have a big showroom and want to place a motorcycle there to look good, and you can occasionally ride it. This premium 3-wheel 𝕞𝕚𝕒 costs less than 70,000 yuan. You need to know that a big bike with proper paperwork costs 600,000 to 700,000. A new one, when riding this power, with 1.8 liters of power, there's no need to worry. It's very impressive. For this kind of vehicle, I don't want to and can't elaborate too much. For your consumption of such motorcycles, it's over 20,000, but under 70,000, or over 200,000. Let's say which consumer class you belong to. It's not that you can't afford it, but what kind of spending do you need? Do you ride every day or just occasionally? Or do you want it just for display? This is about understanding your own consumption habits. So I've explained how to enjoy these modern bikes and how you should buy them. The rest is up to your own choice.